Hello friends, welcome to Exot Solutions. Friends, in previous video we have seen the quick overview of AutoCAD 2018 software and its interference. Friends, I hope that you have came to know how the software looks like. Okay, and friends, as I said, if you have any query, write your query in our comment box and I will revert back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so friends, let's get started with our second video. Hello friends, welcome to our second video of AutoCAD tutorial series. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to do basic AutoCAD settings before starting of the drawing. Okay, so let's get started with it. Friends, first of all I will show you a demo. Okay, if we select a line command, okay, and we draw a line of approx dimension, and if we want to draw another line with respect to this line, okay, but for reference here, by going near to the line we can't see the first point of line, the midpoint of line and the end point of line. Okay, so how we will get to know these points? Okay, also like if we draw a circle and if we want to draw a line passing through center point of the circle, we can't see the center point of circle. Okay, so how to on this setting and how to see the center point and the another snap drawing tools. Okay, also here you will see the X and Y line meshing with each other and there is some gap in between these two. Okay, so this gap is here quite bigger. Okay, if you want to do lesser the gap, you can also do the lesser the gap in between. I will show. If we click up here and yes, if go, the distance between these two lines is 0.5. okay, we will also see how to minimize this. Okay, also if I have to draw line and yes, it is going to anywhere, if we want to draw in only the vertical and horizontal, we will see how to draw it. So to do these all settings, we have to just go to the in below this section. Okay, this is the setting panel of this. Okay, first of all we will see how to do the snaps and grid settings, means how to minimize the distance between this X and Y axis. Okay, so for that we have to go in the snap board, okay, and click the snap settings. In going the snap setting, we will see here the snap and grid option. Okay, we have to on the snap also and grid also. Okay, here you will see the snap spacing and the grid spacing. We have to, yes, we have to minimize this. I will say I want of 0.1. just putting on the X, it will automatically change of the Y axis. Okay, also we have to change the grid settings. I will put up 0.1 and by default it will change of Y axis. Okay friends, here you can see isometric snap and rectangular snap under grid. Okay, grid is the X and Y axis. Okay, by clicking on rectangular we can draw simple 2D drawing. By clicking on isometric we can do draw in isometric view. Okay, so first of all we will see how to draw with rectangular. Okay, I will just open this and click on the OK. Now you will see the gap between these and this is of 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, mean it rising only of 0.3. so in this manner we can draw our drawing very conveniently. Okay, so next we will see how to on the setting of this object snapping tools. Okay, for it we have to go here you can say snap cursor to 2D reference point. We will simply click up the below icon and click up the object snap settings. Okay, here we have to open the setting object snap settings and object snap tracking. Okay, also we have to open the setting, means if we want to show the midpoint of this line, we have to on the midpoint, endpoint here, midpoint here, also center point of circle, geometric center. We will on these all settings by selecting all which we need in further drawings and simply select the OK. We will see how this works. Okay, by clicking on line you will see here on going the start, it shows the endpoint, and also this endpoint it's showing. Also by going in the middle, it's showing the midpoint. Okay, by clicking on midpoint, you can draw any geometry from this midpoint. Okay, also it now shows the center point of circle. Okay, and also the reference line of center quadrants. Okay, so by this we can on this object snapping 2D. Okay, this is of the 3D. We will see how to use the 3D after drawing on 3D. Okay, here are the scales by which we want to draw our drawing. We will simply leave it at is 1:1. Okay, now this is the workspace setting. You can change this from here also and from upper side here also. Okay, also you can isolate the objects also. Okay, we will see. And here is the customization. We will see how this customization operates. Okay friends, below these settings have shown here. Okay, and if we on the grid, it will remove grid from here. You will see on the grid it came here. Okay, likewise if we want any setting from here, we can put up it. Okay, I want to unit here, so I will simply on the unit, it will appear here. Okay friends, now we have to also change our units. Okay, so by clicking on here, we can also change units, or just go to the type command and simply press UNI. Okay, from clicking units, we want go to units. Okay, we want to change the unit from decimal, okay, to engineering. If we want, we will keep it at is. Okay, precision means the dimension we want, just like 20.30. okay, by 0.00 we will see 20.305 like 0.00. okay, so we will keep it at is at 0.00. okay, and how in which unit we want to do our drawing. Okay, so I will select here millimeters. Okay, and just click up the okay. You will see how this dimension appeared in millimeter. Okay, if we click here first point and give the dimension, friends, now here you will see this line is going anywhere, and we want to just draw in vertical and horizontal, but it going turning in 360. So on this setting, this is named as the ortho mode setting, and yes, we want to on the setting from clicking up here. Also we can on the setting by simply pressing F8 on our function keyboard. Okay, now we have opened the setting. Now you will see the line can be drawn only in horizontal and vertical, means in only in 90-degree direction. Okay, likewise you can do your settings. Okay,